either. Please like and subscribe. Open settings, security and privacy. More security settings. Install unknown apps. Turn on, turn off. Deny all. By default, your phone can only install apps from approved sources such as Play Store and the Galaxy Store. This helps protect you from malicious apps, including installing apps from other sources might put your phone and data at risk. If you want to install apps from other sources, allow those sources in the list below. Tap the show system. Please like and subscribe.